Yay! Good day! Happy weekends to all of us. Thank you. Thank you for the subscriber. Thank you. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. Thank you for the support. And now is almost 5 minutes to 7. So that is the waiter now here. Oh, you see? And I'm just ready to finish na to sising. And 7:15 pa naman. 7:10 we go out. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. That is the morning here. It's for winter. Coming soon. Kaya yung winter coming soon here. Okay? So I just have look the usual one. Winter time na, so that is the weather here. The sun is coming soon. Okay, it's starting na busy na yung mga buses, mga cars, mga school service, nag-aantay na. Oh, yun oh, waiting na. Anong oras na pa? Almost 7 na yata. But thank you again. Thank you for some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until what I have. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you so much that you are still giving the support to all of them that you are part in my journey, especially in the mga viewers, subscriber, mga supporters, that you are belong in the different countries, that you are still giving time to watch in my simple videos that what I have. Thank you so much talaga. And to all the family of Madam Ansel, the friends of Madam, family of Madam, family of Sir, friends, to my angkan to my hometown. So thank you so much, and so thank you for some blogger that you are still helping in my channel also. And keep safe sa mga higher, and very good luck and successful that you have already your own channel, that you are the legit to become a YouTuber. So thank you so much. God provide everything, whatever we need. Wherever we are, what kind of nationalities we are, God provide everything and protect everything, whatever happened in this earth. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.